Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again, coming to you on a Wednesday with another easy, simple, and effective smoothie. Today, I'll be making pumpkin seed smoothie, and I'll be putting in some oats, one ripe banana, about a cup and a half of almond milk, and about a teaspoon of honey. But as usual, before we get into the video, I'd just like to take the time out and say, if this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember to turn on the post notification as well, so you'll never miss another healthy video from FadaGugs. Now, let's get back to the video. Pumpkin seed. We know pumpkin is good for the body. Likewise, the seed. I must try and get it in our system. So this is my way of getting it into my system. To eat the pumpkin seed like this is dry, so I normally blend it up in a juice, something similar to this, and then I have it like that. So now let's just go ahead and make our smoothie. First, I'll throw the pumpkin seed, quarter cup of pumpkin seed, then half cup of oats, then one ripe banana, just break it up, drop it in the blender. Then I'll be adding in the almond milk, about 1.5 cup. Then we're gonna put about a teaspoon of honey. That's it. So now let's go ahead and blend it. So now let's go ahead and throw the juice. So this is it. There you have it. That's the final product. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, share with your friends and your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.